welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting new release from Suzuki, the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 1050. This powerhouse dirt bike is set to redefine the motocross world, bringing together cutting-edge technology, advanced design, and pure performance. Whether you're a seasoned racer or just a dirt bike enthusiast, the RMZ 1050 promises to leave a lasting impression. Let's get into the details. Design and features. Visually, the 2025 RMZ 1050 boasts an aggressive aerodynamic design that's both stylish and functional. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame for improved agility, while a sleek body design maximizes airflow and reduces drag. Suzuki also made sure to integrate a more comfortable rider ergonomics setup, ensuring that the bike is both responsive and comfortable during long rides. Plus, the updated digital display provides real-time data on performance metrics, giving riders valuable insights. Engine and performance. Under the hood of the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 150 is a 1050cc, 4-stroke liquid-cooled engine, a significant step up from previous models. This bigger engine means more raw power, offering a balance of torque and acceleration that can take on the toughest trails and the most challenging tracks. Paired with an upgraded 6-speed gearbox, riders will enjoy smooth shifting and optimized gear ratios for maximum performance. Suspension and handling. The RMZ 1050 is equipped with Suzuki's advanced Showa suspension system, featuring a fully adjustable front and rear suspension. This setup allows for precise handling on any terrain. Whether you're carving tight corners, flying over jumps, or tackling rough conditions, the RMZ 1050 offers unmatched stability and control, providing riders with the confidence to push their limits. Technology and innovation. Suzuki's commitment to innovation is evident in the RMZ 1050. The bike comes with an advanced ECU mapping system, which optimizes engine performance in real time based on the terrain and riding conditions. This is paired with a traction control system to ensure that the rear tire maintains grip, especially in muddy or loose conditions. Additionally, the bike is equipped with a quick-release fuel tank for easy maintenance and refueling during races or long rides. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki RMZ 150 is a game-changer in the world of dirt bikes. With its impressive power, top-tier suspension, futuristic design, and innovative technology, Suzuki has truly outdone themselves. Whether you're aiming for the podium or simply enjoying a ride through the trails, the RMZ 1050 offers something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the latest in motocross and dirt bike news. See you next time. Oucher. Leave a comment below on what you think about the 2025 Suzuki RMZ 1050. Is it the bike you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts.